Hey, it's Bjorn here. In this video demo, I'm going to look at the Google settings area called Data and Personalization. Now, Google provides its users with great control of the type of data they collect about you and your activity. So it's worth taking a few moments to review these settings and determine what you're comfortable with. Now, you can jump into the Google app, which is the G app. It's up here in the top left corner for me here. Or you can get there by using the settings menu, and that's in the bottom left corner. I'll do that this time. Hit the settings and Google is right here. So I'll go ahead and hit Google. And the area we're going to explore is within the Manage Your Google account. So I'm going to tap the Manage Google account at the top here. And once inside, you will see a top menu here that's horizontal. It moves right to left. And Data and Personalization is located on that menu. I'll go ahead and tap that now. Okay, there are a lot of items bundled within this section, and all of it's interesting. But today we're only going to cover a couple of things. And the first thing you'll see at the top is take a privacy checkup. And that's worth doing if you have a few minutes. However, the things I'm going to touch on right now are the activity controls and the ad settings. Under activity controls, you can see that I have the web and app activity controls paused. Now, when you click on this area, you can read more about what this means in order to determine if this is what you want to do. So I'll go ahead and tap on that now. Now you can see that you also have the option to auto-delete. I currently have the option to delete all things that are older than 3 months. And below that, there's another option to manage activity. And you can go ahead and review and delete any past activity through that area. Now, you may be surprised to see all the data that is in here if you've been running with the web and app activity on. I'm going to tap the back arrow now in the top left corner. And I just want to mention that the process for customizing your data preferences for location history and YouTube history is really very much the same as with web, app, and activity. It just takes a few moments to do. The final thing I want to mention in this section here is the ad settings, which is a little bit lower. Now, Google makes its money selling ads, and they're very highly effective, and that's because of the data they're able to collect about their users. So if you enjoy having the personalized ads and you wish to support this effectiveness of their Google business machine, then by all means keep the data sections turned on and the personalized ads turned on. However, if you prefer not to have this data being used and stored, then you can pause it and you can delete what's there and you can turn off the ad personalization. I will note that I have everything paused and off, and I still use the Google services without any adverse effects. All right, I'm going to hit the back arrow, or this X in the top left, another back arrow here, and the home button. That's it for this video on Google Data and Personalization. Thanks for watching.